Welcome back to Car Garage, everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I know I am, because I am changing out the wheel cylinder on my 92 Chevy Silverado K1500. Why am I changing it out? Well, my wheel cylinder blew. How do I know it blew? You know it blows when you press on your brake pedal and it just kind of decompresses. There's no compression whatsoever, no stiffness in your pedal. And you go do your walk around and you see a bunch of brake fluid coming out of your one of your wheels. Mine's the rear passenger side. So first thing I'm going to do here, get you turned around, and I'm going to block off the front tire there so the truck doesn't roll, and then we're going to jack up the rear end, remove that tire, and get to work. But first, a word from our sponsors. Me. If you haven't yet already got yourself some Car Garage merch, go down to the link directly below this video. You're going to see a store, fourth wall store, with a bunch of shirts and everything like this. Got some LB7 hats. Got this Duramax cylinder order. And for you small block Chevy guys, I got another shirt just like this. That's a SBC for small block Chevy. Got the Car Garage on the sleeve. And then, of course, we got the YouTube address on there. Super comfortable shirts that fit very well. As you can see on me, 5'11", 225 pounds. It's an extra large. Fits like a freaking glove. Absolutely love these shirts. These are the only shirts I wear now. So go ahead and check that out. Support the channel. Support the store. Let's get into it. Okay, we got it. Hit with a dead blow hammer, did nothing. Tried yanking on it with a crowbar, nothing. Hit it with an air hammer, nothing. Ultimately had to lay on my back, kick the shit out of it with my feet, and she popped off after the second kick. So I guess all those leg presses are starting to pay off. Alright, now that everything's all loosened up, this should just pop right off. A little inspection. We'll be cleaning all that up with some brake clean. Here is the wheel cylinder. Looks like it's been leaking. Normally this would be a excellent time to go ahead and change your whole brake assembly, new shoes and everything, but I changed it not too long ago, and wheel cylinder failed on me. So looks like the brakes still look good. We just gotta take this wheel cylinder off. Okay, see if you can see that there. So this is the back side. There's your wheel cylinder. Go to the back. You got a brake line right here, and then that might be a 3/8. And we got 1, 2, 10 mils, and then this should just pop right out. I went ahead and pre-lubed, so this has probably been soaking for an hour or two now. Hoping it doesn't give me too much grief. We're going to take off this brake line. Mine is a 9/16. Hopefully this will loosen up without breaking anything. The whole line. So that's what I don't want to happen. I want it to snap the line is the thing. Okay, here we go. We're in business. I think I hope. Really don't want to do another line. Gonna give it another tickle of PB Blaster. There we go. That feels better. Oh shit. And we snapped the ball. Great. Again, great. And there she is. There we go. Got a new brake line, more or less bent into place, so I can continue this installation of cylinder wheel. Okay, got a replacement here. We're going to install nipple side up. Pretty simple. Reinstall our bolts here. Make sure everything is lined up. Reattach our brake line. Well, all you really got to do now is bleed your brakes after you put your stuff back together. One more thing I'm going to do here is make sure this is lifted up and they're nice and snug, so that when I put my hub back on, it doesn't get snagged up on anything. Just like that. All right, put the wheel back on. Actually, I'm gonna bleed this out first and then put that wheel back on, but otherwise that is all you gotta do, guys. Wheel cylinders aren't that difficult. PB Blaster is your best friend, but on a 31-year-old truck, you know, sometimes you're just gonna rip some lines, but that's all right. It was pretty easy to get the right parts and put it all back together again. Okay guys, I don't have a self bleeder handy, otherwise I'd show you how that works, so I'm gonna phone a friend and have them help me bleed the brakes, but otherwise, you know, that's how you change the wheel cylinder. I think that'll work out just fine. Pretty simple, 2 bolts and a rusty brake line, but yeah, you could do this in your driveway less than an hour if everything goes smooth. But thanks for watching. Hope it helped you out in some way. Hope you found it entertaining. Make sure to check out the links below so you can get all the parts that you need. I'll put a link to the wheel cylinder that you need down in there. And make sure to check out the Kushtka Garage Store at 4th Wall. Pick yourself up a snazzy hat, t-shirt, hoodie, a cool mug. You name it, we got it at the store. All right, guys, talk to you later.